This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you make an affidavit for the KNB Scholarship. Begin by understanding the core purpose of this affidavit, which is to declare your unwavering commitment to the scholarship terms and conditions. You must specifically affirm your intent to return to your home country after successfully completing your academic program. This document serves as a vital part of your overall application, so precise completion is absolutely essential for your successful submission. This affidavit acts as a legally binding declaration, confirming your full agreement to abide by all scholarship obligations. It formally states your commitment to return to your home country upon graduation, a key requirement for the KNB Scholarship. This document gives the scholarship committee confidence in your genuine intentions and your understanding of their terms. It is a promise to fulfill the program's repatriation conditions. When drafting your affidavit, you must include specific personal details such as your full legal name, date of birth, and current nationality. Also, clearly state your intended major and the university you wish to attend, along with the expected duration of your scholarship. Crucially, explicitly declare your firm commitment to return to your home country after completing your studies. All these details ensure your document is comprehensive and aligns with your application. Proper formatting is key for your affidavit. Use a clear, standard font like Times New Roman in size 12. Always include specific spaces for your signature, the current date, and at least 2 witness signatures. Crucially, the document must be notarized by a public notary to be legally valid. Confirm if your country also requires an apostille for international recognition of the notarization. This step provides legal authentication for your declaration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.